Technology is moving fast. Robots are no longer just science fiction. They're part of everyday life. How will robots change the way we live in the future? The world began to wonder, and Pudu already stepped forward with the answer. We lead the way through uncharted tech frontiers. With full-stack approaches, we stay ahead by meeting real needs with a comprehensive product lineup. We anticipate the future of robotics by building a flexible ecosystem. With large-scale deployment across industries, we bring smart solutions to life everywhere. Powered by expert manufacturing and a global supply chain, we deliver intelligent service to the world stage. Service isn't one size fits all. It's a commitment driven by global insights and refined for each market we serve.
你好， 안녕하세요.
konnichiwa.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Guten Tag.
Every smile, every moment of trust is what we value most. When robots take on more, people can reclaim time to connect, to create, to explore more. Every small step we take moves the world forward. What does a better future look like? Let's build the answer.